Is your YouTube TV showing a black screen? Don't worry, this is a common issue and we can fix it in just a few minutes. Stay with me. First, close the app completely. Find YouTube TV on your home screen, access the options and select Force Close. Then reopen it. Next, unplug your TV from the power outlet for 30 seconds. This clears the cache and often solves the display issue. Check your internet, go to Settings, then Network, and run a test. You need at least 3 Mbps for a stable stream. Try clearing the app cache. In your TV's app settings, find YouTube TV and select Clear Cache to remove corrupted data. Ensure the app is updated. Visit your TV's app store, search for YouTube TV, and install any pending updates. If needed, reinstall the app. Uninstall YouTube TV, restart your TV, and download it fresh from the store. One of these steps should fix your black screen. If it persists, it might be a YouTube server issue. Subscribe for more quick fixes.